Hi friends, welcome to easymyedu.com. So in our video class session, this is the first video class which I am providing for reflection of light. My name is Rana. So in reflection of light, অসমীয়া যোনটো পোহৰৰ প্ৰতিফলন বুলি কয় হেতু ডেফিনেশন আহিব পাৰে. So if the definition comes, then together with writing the definition, you will have to write the laws. So what are the two laws? First law is incident angle is equals to the reflected angle. And what is the second law says? Second law says that the incident ray, the reflected ray and normal at the point of incidence all lie in the same plane. Now an example this. So here in this example diagram you can see that this is a concave mirror. So a concave mirror to m n dash or agot moi eta object rakhiso ab. So a ab object or pora aq light eta incident hoise aru eta light aq dash incident hoise. aq incident hoi focus or majodi a dash ot ahise aru aq dash focus or majodi goi a dash ot lagise. So duta incident ray reflected hoi a dash ot milise. So a dash will be the image of a. Now jodi moi concave mirror to dharu, then you can see that this is the pole, this is focal point and this is curvature. So if you notice here that OF is small f, that is the focal length, then OC that is equals to R is radius of curvature. AQ is the U, that is object distance, and A dash Q dash, that is V, that is the image distance. Now some other question may come due to numerical problems jobor ahi thake. So together with the definition numerical problem ahibo pare. So for solving the numerical problem I have given here two formulae. So if you do this formulae, then the problem will be easily solved. We will come with the problem solving also, but here in this video we will consider the formulae only. So problem solving tips and tricks. So if you consider the problem solving tips and tricks, then you can see 1 by f equals to 1 by u plus 1 by v. That again equals to 2 by r. So sometimes it might happen that only the radius of curvature is given, not the focal length. So what we do, we convert the radius of curvature into focal length, then we do the formula. So instead of doing this, you can do by only considering this part of the formula, that is 1 by u plus 1 by v equals to 2 by r. Then m, that is the magnificent of the image, or অসমীয়া যোনটো বিবর্ধন বুলি কয় বিবর্ধন. So m equals to v by u, that equals to height of image by height of object. So v by u, that is image distance by object distance, hetu korileo hoy jabo, ba image height by object height hetu korileo ami m2 pai jam. So a2 part of pura you can expect 7 to 8 marks. So 7 to 8 marks is a huge mark. So for more video you can click on the following link, so which will be very beneficial for you. Thank you.